This is the American dream. Display your brand the way that it would look if you owned an entire city. Show the world your brand on buildings, storefronts, billboards, road signs, delivery trucks, tour buses, and more. It's a pack of over 60 scenes that you can easily customize to take your next promotion over the top. Every scene has been carefully crafted so that you can show the world your brand like never before. With 4 minutes of realistically placed titles, pictures, and text, you can create a professional commercial in just a matter of minutes. Name it, edit it, change it, color it, mix and match the scenes in any way you like. It's super easy to use, and the support you get from SizerCraft is as good as it gets. Discover what it feels like to take your brand and promotions to the next level. Seriously, this is a top-shelf After Effects template that'll make people think of you as a creative marketing genius. Get it now and start playing with it. You will not regret it. You're about to find that there are unlimited possibilities for you to make your American dream come true. Okay, let's turn up the music and preview all the scenes that you're gonna get.
Audio Jungle.